Up, you're literally burning your wallet alive. Hey, I'm Tarek, just a regular guy learning about money. I dig through trusted sources and I'm sharing what I find in simple words you actually get. Just break it into smaller parts. It's like eating an elephant, one bite at a time. Number 1, not having a budget at all. This seems obvious, but around 64% of people don't budget. They just spend. Problem is, you're just throwing money away. Without a budget, you don't know where your cash goes and saving. Good luck with that. Number 2, not tracking spending. Now you might think, hey, I remember everything I spend on. Well, maybe not. Tracking is key. Every coffee, every snack counts. Apps can help, or just write it down. Trust me, you'll be shocked by how much those small things add up to. Number 3, not having emergency savings. Life can throw curveballs, a sudden vet bill, a broken water pipe, a trip to the emergency room. If you don't have an emergency fund, these surprises can push you into debt. Start small. Even $25 a week saved can add up to $1,000 in a year. Keep that in a separate account. It's your safety net. Number 4, not considering cheaper alternatives. That gym membership you don't use, expensive phone plans, home insurance that's costing you an arm and a leg, look for simpler, budget-friendly options. The money you save can go towards things you really care about. Number 5, thinking you can't have fun. Here's the thing, budgeting doesn't mean no fun. You can still go out, have a drink, catch a movie, even travel. Just make sure it's in your plan. Think of budgeting as planning your fun, not canceling it. Number 6, saving for too many things at once. Trying to save for a fancy vacation, a new car, a bigger house, all at the same time? It's overwhelming and stressful. Pick one goal, crush it, then move on to the next. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. No. 7, not adjusting for varying monthly expenses. Groceries sometimes cost more, utilities spike in summer. Don't ignore it. Tweak your budget each month so it fits your needs. It's better to have small adjustments than big surprises. Number 8, not planning for one-time expenses. Weddings, birthday parties, holiday gifts, car tires, home repairs. These expenses pop up. Instead of stressing, spread the cost over several months. You'll have less surprises and more cash flow. Number 9, having an unrealistic budget. We've all been there. You're excited, you set super strict goals, and then life happens. You get takeout, you miss the gym, you buy coffee. Out of frustration, you quit. Don't be too hard on yourself. Find a balance. Save what you can without going broke. Number 10, using the wrong budgeting method. Not every app or notebook trick works for everyone. Some folks love spreadsheets, others prefer cash. Find what works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all. Number 11, forgetting to roll over old 401k. Boring, I know, but this can cost you thousands over time. Old 401k accounts have high fees. Move them to a cheap IRA with low fees. Your future self will thank you. Number 12, not refinancing loans. Auto loans, student loans, even credit cards. Interest rates change all the time. If your situation is better now than when you took out the loan, check for lower interest rates. It could save you a ton. Number 13, impulse buying. We've all done it. One minute you're chill, the next minute you've got a gadget you don't need or clothes you won't wear. Set a small amount aside for fun purchases. This way you enjoy it without derailing your budget. Number 14, keeping up with friends. Going out with friends can get pricey. Eating out, weekend trips, tickets to the game. It's tempting to say yes to everything, but be honest with your friends about your budget. Real friends will understand. Number 15, no wiggle room. Too strict budgets fail. Leave some extra cash in your budget for surprises or little treats. You need flexibility to stay on track without going crazy. So there you have it, 15 common mistakes that can keep you stuck and how to avoid them. Even avoiding just a few can make a big difference. So which mistake have you made? Be honest. Drop a comment. We're all in this together. And if you're crushing it with your budget, share your tips. Subscribe for more. And remember, budgeting isn't boring. It's your path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. See you soon.